Well, once again, on this 2013 Acura TL, I have to replace the hood struts, and this is gonna be my second time doing so. The very first time was 7 years after I bought the car. 6 years, give or take, after that. Fast forward, that's today, in December of 2025. As I'm working on the car, sometimes the hood will just randomly drop on you, and that's no good. So we're gonna change these out. The original ones I bought on Amazon were no longer available, so I decided to buy another one, which ended up being cheaper, so that's good. I'll link the product in the description below if you're interested, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna change these out. First up, we're going to prop this hood up, and I found a piece of wood that just fits very nicely between here and down here, and it's not gonna go anywhere. You might be able to get away with one of these like store stops for sliding doors that's also adjustable, but I found this to match up perfectly, so I'm gonna use this. In my last video, I talked about lightly clamping these, which is okay for the old ones, but a few of you pointed out that for the new ones, you don't want to risk damaging this over here for the strut, so we're gonna be using the good old stick method. And then besides having something to prop up the hood, the only other things you'll need are, of course, the replacement struts and also a small flathead screwdriver. For these particular ones, when you take them out from the packaging, you do have to assemble the ends over here, which is in this bag. Just to double check, let's make sure that the new one matches up with the old one, which it does. Great. Let's take a closer look on how this works. Here you see there's a collar that will lock things in. To unlock this, you take your flathead screwdriver, you put it down here, and with some force, but not too much, you want to push in and then lift this collar slightly over. And whoops, almost overshot that. And if you overshoot this and this thing comes off of the top, no big deal. You can slip this back on with these two grooves. As you can see, this is now open, and if I take this collar and I slide it back down in place, there's two prongs that will come out and lock this back in. I'm gonna pick a side, in this case the passenger side, and I'm gonna take this thing off. And then this bottom part will come out sideways towards the center of the engine. There we go. I'm gonna now install these. One quick note, if these are too far out this way, you might have a little bit of tough time to lock them back in place, so you might have to shift this back in this way just a little bit if you push it out too far. And now for the top part. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the driver's side, removing the old strut. We're going to now install the new ones. Now that we have these new hood struts installed, let's see how long they last compared to the previous ones. I'll make an update video once that time comes. All right, now for the moment of truth. It looks like it's holding up pretty well. Okay, there's a limit there. Yeah, not bad. So I call that a success. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video.